Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, modern enterprises need more than basic tools. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is an ERP built to unify your business operations and drive smarter decisions. Let's break it down. Dynamics 365 combines finance, supply chain, sales, and customer service into one platform. It provides real-time insights, automates workflows, and integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 and Teams. Large or growing businesses can scale efficiently while keeping data, processes, and teams fully connected. Its flexibility and cloud-based design make it perfect for companies that need enterprise-grade power without the old-school complexity. If you want to streamline operations and scale smarter in 2025, Dynamics 365 gives you the tools to run your business efficiently. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and insights.